Stop trying to keep your eyes open when you sneeze. Just go with the flow. No matter how hard you try, your eyes just snap shut. But why does this happen? Sneezing is your body's way of clearing out irritants from your nose, like dust or allergens. It triggers a powerful reflex involving muscles in your face, throat, and chest. When your brain gets the sneeze alert, it sends signals to multiple muscles, including the ones controlling your eyelids. It's an automatic reflex, like blinking when something comes too close to your eye. But don't worry, your eyes won't pop out if you sneeze with them open. That's just a myth. So next time you sneeze, just let it happen. Gesundheit.